Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title, it is going to be another hair review video. Thank you so much UNICE for sponsoring this video. And if you're new here, hey, my name is Akira Janae. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family before you leave. So, like I said, this is the wig I'm going to be reviewing. We're going to talk about the wig a little bit, and then we're going to come back and install. This is what you get in your box. Don't know what that is, but you do get a full bag of goodies. You get an elastic band, wig cap, pretty sure that's a makeup brush, a pack of lashes, and then more goodies fell out of this. Was so confused on what this was. I thought it was a satin pillowcase. Baby girl, it's a robe, okay? This is the wig. This is how it comes. Super cute. Packaged really nice. It comes with 2 combs on the side. It is a 6x4 closure wig. It comes with a removable elastic band and a comb in the back. And you see how breathable this cap is. Really, really nice for the summertime and to be a very, very lightweight, airy wig. The lace also comes pre-plucked and pre-cut. It is a effortless glueless lace wig. And before I put this on my head, you see the curls was tight. I like to use the Aussie conditioner, wet the whole entire wig, and then I put the conditioner on there. Let the conditioner sit for a little while to really, really get in there and get it really soft and luscious. And then, of course, detangle it. And then here we go. So here she is. This is the beautiful wig I'm going to be reviewing for y'all today. As y'all saw in the last clip, I did basically let it sit in deep condition and literally just make the curls pop. It looks so cute. Just look at that. Loving this color, especially with fall coming up next month. Y'all know I love a good ginger orange. This is just so freaking cute, and I love it being curly. So the hair is about 90 to 95% air dried. This is how it looks, really bouncy and everything. I absolutely love it. She's cute. While the hair is still a little bit drying, I'm gonna go ahead and I think they might have bleached the knots. Yeah, the knots don't look too bad, so I'm not gonna bleach the knots or anything. I think I showed y'all this too, but I am gonna go ahead and tint the lace just a little bit so it can match my skin tone. So this is the lace tint that I like to use. I'm gonna give that a good little shaky shake. Pop that open, and then I just turn the lace inside out so it'll look like this, and then spread a little bit away. I'm gonna hold it like this. And I have white nails, so I'm gonna kind of tuck my nail under so it doesn't stain my nails, because it will definitely do that. And then I just spray it a little ways back. Alright, and I think that says to let it dry. It's yeah, let it dry for a few minutes. So we're going to sit that there, come back to this in a second. I also got some concealer. This is for the part concealer, and then I got a flat brush to make the part look more realistic. And then I also got me a comb so I can make sure everything lays down really nicely. And this one also has an elastic band, so I won't have to do any gluing. This is a glueless wig. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but you can remove these elastic bands. Like if this begins to irritate you, or if the wig is a perfect fit for you, then you literally can just slip these out and you won't even need these. But me, I'm going to keep them on there just so the wig can just be extra secure. But some people, you know, head circumference is bigger than others, and some people's is smaller than others, so that's where this elastic band comes into play. But I have it all the way loosened on the very last one. And so yeah, I just got my hair in a wig cap in a low back ponytail. Didn't need to braid my hair or anything like that, just put it in a ponytail. And then make sure to slick back your hairs and baby hairs so they don't peek through, especially because this wig is ginger and my real hair is black. We don't need any of that going on. And I don't want to put edge control on. You can, but I don't want to, simply because I just got my hair washed yesterday and I'm not trying to mess up my freshly washed hair. Put the band on, get that secure. Once your band is secure, I like to put the band in the middle of my ponytail to kind of hold the ponytail flat so it doesn't bulk out if you don't have a cornrow set. Like if your hair isn't braided down, I feel like to put that on the back really helps. Okay. Whew. That was a lot. Get it on the hair a little bit, it's cool. If you have black hair, you can just put some mascara on it, but since this hair is colored, I usually just kind of wipe my finger against it a little bit, and that usually takes care of it. Then I'm going to use my 24-hour edge tamer in the scent Strawberry. Got this from Marshall's. I absolutely love this. I usually buy the small bottles, but they had this big one for $4.99. And this is the wax stick that I like. And then you just press it from the bottom, press it up, and then it'll come out some. So I'm going to put a little of this on the closure part to make it flat, because right now it's not giving flat. It's giving bulky helmet. So yeah, we gotta fix that. Got my hot comb. It's the one I like to use.
Working.
All right, so I'm going to put some foaming wrap lotion on also. I got a little bit left. This is the one I like to use, the Lotta Body, and just a little bit. And I also put this on the top of my hair, as well as like kind of like right here in the front when it's a little too poofy. And this is to make sure you have no flyaways. And just like that, your Glueless install is done, honey. I absolutely love this. Definitely make sure when you take it out the box, wet it, give it some body, bring it to life, and yeah, it'll be cute just like this. And if y'all see something smoking out, it's my hot comb. I'm gonna go in just a little bit more to perfect what I already have before we go take us some cute little pics or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off because I don't need that anymore. All right, zoom y'all in a little bit just so y'all can see. This is 100% glueless. This is a 5x5 glueless lace closure wig. Super cute in this ginger orange color. Here's my rat tail comb. Y'all know where I put this at, so we're gonna go under. And you see me pulling it up. We're gonna go just, I'm getting on my real hair. Just like that. That side's not glued. This side isn't glued down. And the ultimate test will be to just pick it up. All right. Super duper excited with this. Literally no glue whatsoever. Now obviously, if you are one of those girlies who like baby hairs, then you can probably cut you some baby hairs down and then put like a little bit of got to be glued on like the baby hairs and stuff. But the wig and the lace itself does not need any glue. This is 100% glueless, super lightweight, super flowy. Curls are just, this is fire, okay? This is fire. All right, so I'm about to take some cute pics and some cute videos, and then I'm gonna pop those in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I already showed you guys what was inside of your box, but what I thought was super cute, I don't know if I actually showed y'all, I got a robe. Oops. They sent me a freaking robe that has UNICE on the back. How stinking cute is this? I should have been wearing this while I was doing my hair. The colors are kind of clashing because, you know, orange and pink, but yes, they sent me a cute little robe. It would have been really cute if they, oh, they got UNICE right here too. If they would have had my name on it, like Akira Janae, yeah, that'd be cute too. But yeah, they gave me a cute little robe. That's the first ever hair company to do that. Alright, so I'm gonna go take some pictures and throw in some other little videos and clips like that of the hair. But right off the back, super cute. Voiceover Kira may talk to y'all a little bit too, but it was minimum shedding. I mean, it's curly hair, and when I was conditioning it, it was a little bit of shedding, but not too much. But after you let the hair air dry, like, it's super cute, super flowy, super soft, lightweight. Absolutely love it. Nothing to complain about, honestly. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to actually like it, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until my next video, I will see you lovelies then. Bye guys.